Hello, my name is Mandy Barnabas. You can call me Chinexdebest. With me, I'll be showing you how to check the expiring date of your SKU, that is your stocks. So you can as well call it stock aging. To get this done, click on General Report. On General Report, check on stock SKU aging. See, this place tells you that expire and two. So this tells you the days, that is the range of days in each group. So when I click on generate, it generates the products, the packed date, and when it will expire. And if it's close to the expiring date, you can see from here is 1 to 25 days, from here is 26 to 30 days, 31 to 45 days, 46 to 60 days, and 61 above. So whenever they draw close, know that they are aging to expire. So unluckily for us, we have some few items that have already expired, which include Nunu bag, which we have one, as well Olympic yogurt. We have 594 cases. We as well have one Nunu Olympic powder 5 grams. See, food tend to expire easily because of the amount of preservative being applied on it, and too much of preservative can also harm the system. So most of the goods that expire easily is food, which is nutritional product. So that is why we need to as well always check their aging, so we can push them before they get expired. And doing it will be a good KPO, and the KD, which is the key distributor, can recommend it to any other company or distributor as well when you will apply for recommendation. So thanks. Please enable to subscribe.